Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to fix Wi-Fi disconnects automatically in Windows 10 issue. It means Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting in Windows 10. I will show you easiest and fastest way to fix this issue. Make sure to try all the fix one by one until your Wi-Fi issue is resolved. But before we start this guide, please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. Now let's start troubleshooting. Fix 1. Set power adapter setting to maximum performance. Press Windows key plus R key and type powercfg.cpl in the run box and hit enter. As you can see in my case, only one plan is showing balanced. In some cases, you may see 3 or more plans like this. You have to click on change plan setting of selected plan. Now click on change advanced power settings. Double click on wireless adapter settings. Double click on power saving mode. Change it to maximum performance on both on battery and plugged in. Now apply it and click on OK. If you have desktop PC, then you will not find this option. Only one option you will get. Fix 2. Check power management setting. Press Windows key plus R key and type ncpa.cpl in the run box and hit enter. As you can see, network connection has been opened. Right click on your Wi-Fi network and select Properties. Click on Configure and go to Power Management tab. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power if it is checked. Now click on OK. Now move to Fix 3. Make connection private. Click on Wi-Fi icon in notification area. Click on Properties of Wi-Fi you are connected to. Now you have to select Private. Now your network profile has been private. Fix 4. Run network commands. Type netsh int ip reset. Now hit enter. Type ipconfig/release and enter. Type ipconfig/renew and enter. Type ipconfig/flushdns and enter. Now check one more time Wi-Fi is working or not. If not, then move to Fix 5. Check WLAN service. Press Windows key plus R key. In this run box, type services.msc. Here you can see the list of services. Here you need to find WLAN auto config service. Double click on it. If a startup type is not set to automatic, then make it automatic. Now apply the changes and click on OK. Fix 6. Set manual DNS. Press Windows key plus R key and type ncpa.cpl in the run box and hit enter. As you can see, network connection has been opened. Right click on your network and select Properties. Double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Here click on Use the following DNS address. Now we need to put preferred DNS server and alternate DNS server. Here I am going to use Google DNS. Type in preferred DNS server field 8.8.8.8. and in alternate DNS field type 8.8.4.4. Now click OK. Again click OK. Fix 7. Uninstall the network adapter. Right click on Windows Start menu. Select Device Manager. As you can see that Device Manager has been opened. Double click on Network Adapter. Here you can see the list of adapters. You have to look for any of these adapters like Broadcom, Atheros, Realtek or Intel adapter. You will find one of them. As you can see, in my case it is Broadcom. In your case it could be some other brand, as I mentioned earlier. Right click on it and select Uninstall device. Click on Uninstall. Now restart your PC. Windows will automatically reinstall the latest driver. After restart, check if you are able to connect internet. If not, then move to Fix 8. Update network adapter driver. For this you need active internet connection. Again right click on Windows Start menu. Select Device Manager. As you can see that Device Manager has been opened. Double click on Network Adapters. Right click on your network adapter and select Update Driver. Select Search automatically for updated driver software. As you can see that I have already installed the latest driver. If any update will be available, then it will be installed automatically. Now check, hopefully your Wi-Fi issue has been fixed. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions and suggestions, drop them below and share this useful video with your friends. Like the video and subscribe to our channel. Your likes and comments motivate us to create such videos. Press the bell button to receive notification for new videos on Windows tips and tricks, troubleshooting and productivity hacks. Thank you.